what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting video because we're finally gonna find out what's inside the giant box. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, so the beautiful Christina K is gonna be helping us with the unboxing today. We pulled all the cars out to try to make it look, you know, as cool as we can, even though it is freezing cold out here. So everyone drop a like on the video for Christina wearing her Black Widow outfit. It was a leftover Halloween outfit that she didn't get to wear, so I thought, why not do it while you're unboxing the special thing today. So,
$35,000 worth of carbon?
Yeah, so if,
yes, please.
we're probably gonna call this video unboxing a $35,000 Nero carbon wide body kit for our Lamborghini Urus. And this is one of the biggest parts of this build. And there's also a wrap. It's gonna get wrapped next week by Inshane Designs. Well, version one of the stage one of the wrap, I should say. You're gonna.
What color you think we're wrapping it?
Yeah, let us know what color you think we're wrapping it in the comment section below. We went through quite a little bit of a disaster with getting the wrap design, coming up with the design, and then I came up with a really good idea, and then we couldn't get the color that I wanted, so it's been a little bit of a nightmare. So, all right, so here we go. So this is a Nero carbon wide body kit by Urban Automotive. So I'm gonna put all the links to them in the description below. They are a sponsor of this build, and we would not have been able to get this without their help. And it's really one of the best parts about this build. So I'm really, really excited. This is pretty much my favorite carbon wide body build that's available, and we'll get into why that is once we get to those pieces. But first, this is the biggest box I think we've ever had delivered to our house, which is pretty awesome. And you guys know me with my bike builds, we love carbon fiber. So the more carbon, the better. These are side skirts, that's what these are. So they're gonna replace the entire factory side skirts, and we need to be really, really careful. Should have maybe just set them on top of all that foam right there, okay. So we need to be really careful to not. So basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna wrap the whole car, and then we're gonna take, yeah. I don't know why it's making those noises. Oh, it's the inside of the carbon, so we're good. That was smart. Damn, dude. So they have a bunch of different options for these. So you can do painted body kits. You can do carbon fiber, which is what we did. You can do forged carbon. Yeah, so we went with the Twill glossy carbon. There it is, the Nero design kit. Oh my God, this looks so freaking awesome. It's so cool because on bikes, you never really have big pieces like this. So you don't get to see like massive pieces of carbon, but look at that. So there you go, there's our new side skirts. And it's the main reason why I love this kit is because it's not over the top. It still makes the car look really good, but it all bolts onto the factory parts. You don't have to cut anything. There's no destroying or cutting fenders. There's no bolts exposed or anything like that. So it's a really clean wide body kit that makes the car look incredible. And it comes with, you'll see all the parts it comes with right now, but so you can see that that's gonna replace that kit, that giant piece down there, and make it all carbon fiber, which is gonna be epic. Look at how sexy Teens looks in this outfit. Out here, my hands are freaking freezing right now.
Oh my God, mine are so cool.
We wanted to do this a lot earlier, but we were really busy with other things. There, yeah, those are sick. These are the carbon wheel arches. So there was not a lot of companies I found that did wide body wheel arches that didn't require basically cutting of the factory panels, and I did not want to do that. I want to be able to return this car to stock if we ever wanted to, which we never will, but when we sell it, it helps resale value if you don't cut the fenders. So yeah, these they're pretty much they don't stick out at all. So these are going to stick it out it's probably like 2 or 3 inches, and then what we're going to do is get wheel spacers for our wheels, and then they'll sit out a little bit more too. I'm thinking about also maybe just getting another set of wheels. Urban Automotive makes some awesome wheels. Right? Yeah, because they make some really cool wheels, and these are 22 inches, so I don't know how much they're going to fill up the new arches since they're going to be a little bit bigger. So if these don't fill up the arches enough, what I'll probably do is put the snow tires on these. These will be our winter wheels, and then I'll snag another set of wheels from Urban Automotive, and then probably just do their Nero wheel if they make one, and then space those out as well. Maybe they won't even need to be spaced, but I'll probably go up to like a 23 inch. That way, these are 22s. 23 would just fill up the arches a little bit more. So let's see if Black Widow can get these unboxed. if you guys can't get enough of this woman, I've always got links to her in the description below, all of her other social media platforms. But definitely check out Urban Automotive on YouTube. They have a great YouTube channel. You can see these kits on the cars if you want to see them right now. And I'll actually put information on how you can purchase these kits linked as my first comment below as well. There it is. Look at that. The wheel arches. Want to bring it over here? Let's go to the other side so we can get some sun on it. Sorry, the cars are dirty. It's impossible to keep them clean. Are there front and rear? Do we know which piece this is? I can't imagine they would. That has to be a front. No, because look, the rears are broke. The door has to open.
Oh.
So that has to be a front piece. Yeah.
Right here.
Yep.
Small in the front.
Yep, there you go. So it's basically gonna cover this whole piece right there. And again, it sticks out, but it's not like crazy amount. If I didn't have the wheels turned like an idiot, we could see exactly how much further out it is. But I believe it's gonna be like a 30mm spacer. Dude, look at that. That looks incredible.
From that
yeah.
to that.
That is so dope. And it's cool too. Like, I think we're gonna leave this fully exposed.
So you don't have to drill it.
Yeah, exactly. It just plugs into the factory holes. But you can also, like, I've seen them where they carry the wrap down to this lip right here. So you just have that little piece of carbon. Yeah. So we'll see what we wanna do once we have our first color on the car. Then we'll go from there. But damn, those look good. All right, let's try and find the front or rear diffuser next. All right, look at this piece. This is the front splitter right here. You falling over on me?
No.
You been drinking, girl? Huh? You been drinking, Black Widow?
No.
Look at this thing, dude. I actually love this front splitter. I looked at a bunch of different companies before I decided on this kit. And this front splitter is, like I said, it's like enough to make it look really different, but not ridiculous over the top. And the car is still functional, you know? And that's the main thing, is like, I don't want to be scraping shit. I don't want my wheels hitting like stuff in the wheel wells. And I think that they did a really good job with designing this kit. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, this is so sick. All right, I'm gonna help her and then we'll take a look at it. All right, these pieces are so big, I'm not used to it. Look at this, the front splitter. Look at that. So it's like a 2-tier design, it steps down. So basically it's gonna replace that lower lip in that area there. You can kind of sort of get an idea. Let me see if I can help you. Yeah, there you go. It'll be like that. I'm gonna hold it right, can you hold it right there? No,
I'm
probably
gonna
not. In the shot?
In the shot.
So, yeah, you can't even see, it's so dark, but you can kind of get an idea. God, it looks so good. And then that's gonna tie in. It comes around the side there and it'll tie in with the wheel arches as well. Holy crap. Okay, let me help her put that somewhere. All right, this is one of my favorite pieces from the kit.
Gotta go to
the rear diffuser. You always gotta have a big, juicy rear end. How about it, babe? So that's one of the things I hate about the car the most, is that silver rear piece. You can get those painted, but you have to, it's an option from the factory, and a lot of people just forget to do it. So basically this is gonna go all the way up here. It gets rid of all that and replaces it with that. Dude, it makes it way more aggressive. And then I think we're even gonna add like some touches of color on those pieces right there, which I always like. Dude, that looks, the weave and the quality of this.
What a difference.
Holy crap.
From that to this.
Yeah, that looks so good. Okay, what else do we have left? I think the wings.
Spoiler.
The spoilers, yeah. Check this out. All right, and then this is probably the last piece we'll show you, because we're gonna have to really dig in there to find all the little pieces, but that's the new rear, basically it's like a wing. So the car does come with 2 wings. It comes with like a little duck bill at the bottom, and then it comes with this wing on the top. And it just, I think it sits right over top of that one, I believe. So something like that, I think that's how it goes. Look at that. So it just makes the car look a lot more aggressive. It's gonna give it a little bit more downforce.
So good.
Yeah, how sick is that, dude? And then
Very aggressive.
teens, this part here we have in carbon as well. So
does this sit on
this will get replaced. I'm not sure.
There's a light here.
Yeah, that's what I said. I think it sits on that. I'm not sure exactly. That'll be Ben's problem. But I'm sure we can talk to Nero and find out exactly how it all gets installed. But this, teens, we have this too in carbon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this will be carbon, this will be carbon diffuser, the carbon wheel arches, the carbon side skirts, and then the front splitter.
Carbon on carbon on carbon.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with carbon.
So that's it.
You never have too much carbon.
Yeah, so again, massive shout out.
Mailman's here.
Mailman. Massive shout out to Urban Automotive for sending out the Nero design, Nero carbon widebody kit for our Urus. It's freaking amazing. We're really, really excited to do this. Basically, we're gonna be wrapping it next week, the base wrap color, and then we're gonna put the whole kit on, and then we might be adding, you're gonna find out, we'll be adding to the wrap.
It's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, it's gonna be epic. I think you guys are gonna love it. So if you guys wanna get one of these kits for yourself, check out the links in the description below. I'll also do a pinned comment as well. And if you wanna follow along with this build, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also follow us on Instagram at JaretCampisi at Kalittle. And we're gonna be basically doing an entire build. This is like our winter project for this car. And in the next couple of weeks, it's gonna get really, really sick. So we gotta figure out how to put all of this stuff away now.
Protect it.
And yeah, and make sure it's protected. Always use protection kits. But yeah, I think that's it. So again, shout out to Nero for sending this out. Well, Urban Automotive. This is gonna be freaking epic. I love the carbon, it looks really good. The quality's awesome. The twill weave is gonna look incredible. Yeah, and it's gonna be epic. So thank you, Tina Wieners.
What color?
Yes, let us know what color you think the wrap is gonna be. And what other mods we got coming for this as well. It's gonna be badass. So yeah, thank you, Tina Wieners, for the unboxing. Follow her on all of her socials. They're linked in the description below. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.